5 shocking truths about quantum computer you're afraid to ask. The quantum future is closer than you think. What if I told you there is a technology so powerful it could one day cure Alzheimer's, solve climate change, and design materials we haven't even imagined of? What if that same technology could also break every password, every bank account, and every government secret on Earth in just seconds? Does it sound like science fiction? It's not. This is the promise and the danger of the quantum revolution. So in this video, we will answer 5 big questions. What is the quantum computer really? Does it prove the multiverse exists? How could it change medicine, climate, finance, and artificial intelligence? Could it actually be dangerous? And finally, when will it would come in our hands? Question 1. Is a quantum computer just a faster version of my laptop? The answer is not at all. That is the biggest misconception what we have. Your laptop thinks in the bits, either 1 or 0, like a light switch which on or off. A quantum computer thinks in qubits. A qubit is like a dimmer switch. It can be 1, it can be 0, or it can be both at the same time. The strange property is called superposition. Here is the mind-blowing part. Where a normal computer solves problem step by step, a quantum computer can explore millions of possibilities at the same time. So it is not just faster, it is totally a new way of thinking. Question 2. How can quantum computer calculate so fast? Does it really use multiple universes to calculate? This is the part that blows your mind the most. A regular computer works step by step, as you know. Imagine you are trying to find the right key to unlock a safe. A normal computer tests one key by one key, then the next key, one after another. A quantum computer, thanks to the superposition, can test millions of keys at the same time. It is like having an army of you in the parallel universe, each trying a different keys and then sharing the answers instantly. So, do we literally tap into the other universes? Some scientists think it is just a metaphor. Others believe the multi-world interpretation means that is exactly what is happening. Either way, the math works and the speed up is real. To give you an idea, a top classical supercomputer, which is so much powerful than the laptop which I have, that supercomputer take 10,000 years to solve a certain molecular simulation. A future quantum computer could do it just in minutes. That is not just faster, it is completely different reality of the computing power. So question 3, we have understand it is a cool science, but how will it actually help the humanity? This is where revolution truly begins. Let's look at the 4 key areas. Number 1, medicine and healthcare. Right now, discovering new drug is a slow process of trial and error. A quantum computer could simulate molecules with perfect accuracy. This means designing life-saving drugs for diseases like cancer, Parkinson, or Alzheimer's in a fraction of time. Just think, quantum computer can present personalized medicine design just for you. Number 2, climate change and materials discovery. So everyone wants to solve the climate change problem. So we need better batteries, more efficient solar panels, and a way to create fertilizers without massive carbon emissions. So quantum computers can help us design these new materials atom by atom to be perfectly efficient, unlocking breakthroughs to fight climate changes. Number 3, finance. Right now, predicting markets is like trying to predict the weather. Messy, complex, and often wrong. Classical computers crunch huge amount of data, but they hit limits. But quantum computers could change that. They could analyze every possible scenario in global markets almost instantly, spotted risks and opportunities, and normal computers would miss that. Imagine a bank being able to predict financial crisis months before it happens, or an investment fund adjusting portfolio in real time to avoid the crashes. Even fraud detection would become supercharged, instantly scanning millions of transactions to find suspicious activity before damage is done. Number 4. Artificial intelligence. AI today is powerful, but it often gets stung with problems that are too complex. Quantum computing can push it into the whole new level. Think about global logistics. Every shipping route, flight path, and delivery track optimized in seconds, cutting cost and carbon emissions in a massive way. Or AI healthcare assistants that can analyze billions of genetic and medical records to design treatments tailored perfectly for your DNA. Even in language and creativity, a quantum boosted AI could understand human nuances in ways today's system is quietly struggled. So question 4. You might ask me that you mentioned breaking every password is possible in quantum technology. Should I be worried about my online life? Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. This is the single biggest threat of quantum computing. Almost of our current digital security, from your email password to the bank transaction and government secrets, is protected by type of encryption that is created by the normal computers and almost impossible to break by those normal computers. But for a powerful quantum computer, it's a child's play. This is often called quantum apocalypse. But don't get panic. Don't delete your accounts. Scientists are already on it. The race is on to develop quantum resistant or post-quantum cryptography. These methods are such as that quantum computers itself cannot crack it. The goal is to upgrade our global security before these powerful quantum computers become a threat. Question number 5. This all sounds amazing and scary. So when this happens? When I get my quantum iPhone? This is $1 billion question, and the answer is it's complicated. You will probably never own quantum computer or quantum iPhone the way the regular laptops or regular phones are present now. These quantum machines are incredibly fragile, expensive, and need to kept near absolute zero temperature, means minus 273 degrees Celsius. Instead, you will access their power through the clouds. Companies and researchers are already doing this today. As for a timeline, in next 5 to 10 years, you will see quantum computers begin to solve very specific practical problems in the fields like material science and drug discovery that are too hard for the today's supercomputers to solve. The next 10 to 20 years, the quantum apocalypse threat become very real, making the shift to quantum safe encryption urgent. We will see quantum power breakthroughs become more common. After 20 years from now, you might see kind of world is changing what we have. General purpose would be solved. What we are talking about now, the biggest hurdles right now are keeping the qubit stable and corresponding the errors and correcting the errors they naturally make. It is a massive engineering challenge for every engineer related to quantum technology. So what is your quantum future? So the future of quantum technology isn't a simple story of utopia or dystopia. It's a race to unlock its unbelievable potential while protecting ourselves from the risks. It's quite tough. It won't change our life overnight, but it will be the hidden engine behind the biggest breakthrough of the 21st century. From the medicine you take to the technology you use, the quantum revolution is coming, and now you know what to watch for. But now, I want to hear from you. What part of the quantum future you are most excited or worried about? Let me know in the comment section. If you learned something new today, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology that's shaping our futures. Thank you for watching and stay curious. Thanks to all.